That's it. Here goes nothing.
Certain this will work.
Hell no. I've never done this before. Not like there's a manual.
Sub-Zero? Can he hear me?
You should.
Sub-Zero.
Yes, Smoke.
How do you feel? What is it?
I remember the things I have done for Shao Kahn. He cannot be allowed to merge the realms.
Aoka, how can Sub-Zero best help us?
I do not know. My attempts to alter future events have had negative consequences. Sub-Zero should never have undergone this transformation. Enlisting him may only further divert the flow of time.
We need intel, right? Let's send him back to Outworld undercover.
They will be unaware of my defection. I could deceive them.
Earthrealm is missed. It will not be missed. Very well. You will return. Report late. Where is the intruder?
I killed him in Earthrealm.
He should have been saved for interrogation.
He was formidable. I had no choice.
Follow me. We must lead a new mission.
What mission brings us here?
I have scanned your neural net 520. Your neuromodulators have been recalibrated.
Impossible.
The experience has been deleted from your system. Remove your access panel. Your programming has been corrupted.
My soul was corrupted. Now it is cleansed.
Round 1. Fight! Sub-Zero wins. Round 2. Fight! Sector wins. Round 3. Fight! Sub-Zero wins.
Artificial enhancements are no substitute for the human soul. Thank you, Sator.
Finally! Come on, we gotta get him to the graveyard at St. Dominic's. On your feet, all of you!
For what purpose?
Don't care, really, so long as I get paid.
He said on your feet. Come on, up, get up.
Hey, what did...
I will help you.
Go, all of you, now!
Let's go, come on! Down here, let's go!
Your treachery will be punished. Round 1. Fight! Sub-Zero wins. Round 2. Fight! Sub-Zero wins.
All those teeth and claws, yet still overmatched. Behind me! Come no further, fiend of Outworld!
Round 1. Fight! Fight! Sub-Zero wins. Round 3. Fight! Sub-Zero wins.
You are not so fearsome.
Oh my god. Thanks. I thought we were done.
I must go. I need to investigate the graveyard.
We'd go with, but we have to return to our unit.
That is for the best.
Good luck, man.
He ain't gonna need luck.
This is Sub-Zero.
I've encountered Quan Chi. He seems to be casting a spell.
Raiden, what is it? What did you see?
One of Shao Kahn's Solnados, on a scale I thought unimaginable. All of Earthrealm's souls imprisoned, absorbed by Shao Kahn, multiplying his power.
That is what Sub-Zero has found?
No matter my efforts, the future remains in peril. How could I have failed Earthrealm?
Do not lose faith in the spirits, Raiden. They will guide you, protect you. Sub-Zero, we will disrupt the Solnado. I will be there momentarily.
Hurry! The spell appears to be nearly complete.
Who is that? The one Kano warned about. He is mine. You are not worthy of the name Sub-Zero.
Who are you to judge?
I wore those colors before you.
Bihan?
Yes, Kuai Liang. It is I. Quan Chi restored me.
Restored. You and I both. We are flawed copies of our former selves.
I have no flaws. Quan Chi has perfected me.
For what end? To serve the Netherrealm and Outworld?
It suits my purpose.
But brother,
We share blood. We are not brothers.
then I will not regret your defeat.
Round 1. Fight! Sub-Zero wins. Round 2. Fight! Sub-Zero wins.
You are right. We are not brothers.
Ratna Sumbing Knatarg. Ota Shendura.
Go! Your soul is not safe!
Earthrealm's fate is sealed, Nightwolf.
Not yet! We fight until the end!
Round 1. Fight! Quan Chi wins. Round 2. Fight! Night wins. Round 3. Fight! Quan Chi wins. Round 1. Fight! Night wins. Round 2. Fight! is over. Hilamai.